Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl MESHEW. Today I'll be showing you how I installed, and I'll also be doing a review of this unit, this honey blonde 28 inches 200% density unit from YOLOVA hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this install and what I think of the hair, then keep on watching. Now, so let's start off this video. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I am gonna apply my glue to install the wig. Alright, so I've already done the ball cap method, and if you haven't seen my video on how I do my ball cap or how I do the ball cap method, then you can go ahead and check that video out. I'll also link it up top for you to see how I install my ball, I do my ball cap. Hey guys, so I wanted to jump in right here and say to you guys, I had initially done my ball cap method video using my got to be spray, and that was this day that I'm filming the video for this installation. I didn't really like how the ball cap, like how it was looking kind of messy, and so I decided to refilm it. So the video you'll see it up on my channel now, that's actually the video that I redid using a whole nother method. All right, so this cap that you're seeing, this is the messy look that I didn't like, and so that's the reason why I redid that video. All right, so I already have the cap on, so I don't need to do anything. I don't need to do any of that. All I need to do now is to install the wig, and I'm gonna go ahead with my ghost bond glue, and I'm gonna put around 3 layers of glue around my edges. I'm not gonna wait on it to dry. I'm just gonna put it on right after putting that first layer on and laying it. All right, I think I need to clean the butter up inside, because when I press on it, a whole lot of glue comes out at one time. But that's that for that. Let's go in with our second layer of glue right now. I don't know if I'm the only one, but when I'm doing stuff like this, I really cannot talk. I have to pay so much concentration on what I'm doing. But guys, I used to use the Bold Hold active glue before to lay my frontals, and after, like when I was removing the hair, I'd usually notice that my hairline is bumpy or it has rashes. So I decided to move away from that and use the ghost bond glue, and this one is very good so far. I don't have that complaint with this one. So what glue do you use for your installs? Let me hear it in the comments. So after doing this, guys, I'm just gonna blow dry it on cool air just until it gets clear. Until it's dry, I do the install. All right, So that's gonna take a little time, so I'll catch you back when it's dry. Alright, so guys, while this continues to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and like show you a close-up of the hair and also put my foundation inside of the wig. Alright, so this is what the hairline looks like. I can see the block knots a little, but I'm not gonna bleach it right now. I'm just gonna install it and bleach the knots later. Alright, so this is what inside looks like. So I'm gonna add my foundation shade just to get it, just to tint the lace to match my skin. Alright, the edges look pretty good. I am going to make my baby hairs. I did just a little bit of plucking, but when I do install it, then I'll see if I need to do some more plucking at the edges. But for right now, it doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna add my foundation shade to the lace right now, and then by that time, because I've been blow drying this for like 15 minutes, no cap. Alright, so I'm kind of allowing it to cool a little, and then I put the wig on my head. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with a little powder onto the lace. Alrighty guys, so it's time to install the wig, but I just wanted to jump back in right here to tell you what's happening in the picture, in the video. Alright, so I had the glue on my hair for like, guys, I'm not lying, about 20 minutes. It was just not drying, it was just not getting clear. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and do my install. Okay, alright, so I noticed like a little later on, I noticed that the blow dryer that was used is kind of an old blow dryer. And so instead of giving me very cool air, it is giving me not so hot, but it's still warm air. And I'm guessing that's the reason why the glue just was not drying. It was just activating the glue on my hairline. I know this because I did another install like a few days after with a different blow dryer, a more recent blow dryer, and I put it on cool air, and it was just cool air coming out of it. And I had no problem with the glue drying clear in no time. Alright, so that was the reason why the glue just wasn't drying, but I decided I'm still gonna go ahead with my install, and it was kind of looking a little bit white, but I used my foundation. I used powder foundation to blend in the white from the cap with the lace on the wig. Alright, so that's the reason why I showed you that picture before I started talking, so you could see how the wig looked after the install, because you really cannot tell that the glue wasn't dry properly from that picture that I'd shown you. Alright, so I went ahead with my install. I'm just using my rat tail comb to kind of brush the glue into the wig. After doing that, I'm gonna go ahead for just 5 minutes to just get the wig, the edges, the hairline of the wig flat on my head for as much as I can at the time, because I haven't done any work on it. And that's the blow dry that I was talking about. It doesn't give me very cool air. Alright, so that's after 5 minutes, and after trying to dry the glue a little bit more with the elastic band around the wig. I'm gonna go ahead now with the customization of the wig, cutting the lace, all of that, my baby hair styling, and all of that. So you'll see how I styled the hair. All right. Alright, so guys, this is how the unit turned out. I went ahead and added some mousse and gave it like 4 barrel curls. Alright, so I also gave it some layers to the front because I wanted the hair to drop in my face and not just drop the curls to drop straight down. Alright, so this is how it turned out. As I said, I'm loving the honey blonde on my complexion. This is my second time wearing honey blonde. I did a review on a curly bang unit, a curly bang wig unit. If you haven't seen that, then I am asking you, I'm telling you, I'm begging you, check that video out, because it was after doing that video that I got so many compliments about just how nicely the honey blonde unit looked on me. And so when I got the opportunity to make a decision on the type of hair unit that I'd want to try or review now, with YOLOVA here, I decided I'm gonna try the honey blonde unit. Alright, so this is the hair. It is a honey blonde body wave 13x4 frontal wig unit. Density is 200%, and this is a 28 inches. So she's 28 inches, honey blonde 13x4 unit. Alright, I'm gonna talk to you a little bit more about YOLOVA hair. So they provide 100% virgin human hair for Black women. Alright, and I can attest to that. Like, this hair is definitely made for me. Like, it definitely does fit my complexion. Yeah, I also have a special code for a discount code for you guys. It is MESHEW. I'm gonna put everything that you need to know about this hair and about the discount code, about the company, in the description, guys. So don't forget to go ahead and check the description. All right, guys, let me know how you feel about this hair down in the comments. Like, I don't know, I already told you I'm happy about this hair. I'm happy with the look. I'm happy, like, I've moved away from the middle part as well, center part, and I decided I'm gonna do a side part, and I love that as well. So let me know, guys, how you feel about this unit. How does it look on me?